This video tutorial will show you how to find and delete the exact duplicate photos, documents and other duplicate files in Dropbox. Exact duplicate files are files that are the same in content, regardless of file name. It will take 2 steps. To get started, let's download and install the Dropbox app on computer. Launch the app and set it up. Sign in using your account. You will be presented with this window when you install Dropbox on your computer for the first time. Choose the option Make Files Local. The Dropbox folder will appear on your computer. As you can see, the syncing has begun. When the syncing is going on, let's take a look at the duplicate files in Dropbox. There are duplicate copies of the same photos, which we don't really need. There are also some duplicate documents and other types of dupes. The syncing is finished now. Open System Duplicate Finder. Add the Dropbox folder into this app. Click the Scan button. Once the scanning is finished, you will be presented with a list of all the duplicate files in your Dropbox. Let's go to the Image tab and preview the duplicate photos. You can easily switch between different preview modes and zoom in or zoom out the preview. By default, System Duplicate Finder will automatically select duplicate copies for you to delete with one click. There are also other selections rules available, such as Select Newest. Click the Delete button. The selected duplicate files will be moved to trash. Now all the unwanted duplicates are gone. The Dropbox app will detect and sync any changes in your local Dropbox folder. As a result, the duplicate copies in the cloud will also be deleted all at once. You can also use System Duplicate Finder to scan folders, partitions and drives on your Mac to remove duplicate files. Before scanning, you can customize settings based on your need. You are welcome to download the free trial of System Duplicate Finder. It can help you free up storage space and better manage your files. Thanks for watching.